guys, this is my second video. It's so loud right now. It's not that loud, but it's probably loud for you guys. This is my second long form video right now. Oh yeah, shout out to my mom for recommending this video. Pretty cool. I'm at the river tyne. We go like all the way up to like, it's hard to explain. We go like all the way up there, like past. If you're like from like Newcastle, you'll probably know the Baltic. I think it's called the Baltic. Yeah, we literally go past there. So like yeah. So much of bubbles. I'm waving to because there's people over there. So like yeah. There's like a massive queue. Oh, I think the queue went bigger. Right, so that's there. It's where we left. I went down there. That's where we went on the boat. I recorded a YouTube video about like a short. It goes all the way. The people go all the way. Just for a flipping tour guide. Alright, look. This is where we start. We walked down there. We went on about like there. And I made a YouTube video. And that's flipping. So many people. Just for a tour guide, guys. Like, just to go in the river. Like, it stops around about like there. Stops around about like there-ish. And then people are like just walking about. So yeah. Oh, we're passing the Millennium Bridge. Oh, that's Mom. This is gonna be the first time I see the Millennium blinking. Because the Millennium, like, when it looks like it's blinking. First time, huh? Look. Usually it's just straight and it got like curves, but now it's like that. It's like this. Now like it goes up and now. But seriously it looks like it goes like that. Technically now we're lucky because we're going under here. We're going under the Millennium Bridge while it's open, like while it's like blinking kind of. Look, you see it? Kind of like an eye blinking. So like yeah. So like sit down. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Oh, you might see that corn candy place. Oh, I think that might be the corn candy place where it's red and white. Because there's a corn candy place. Right there, I think. It's just the red and blue. I mean red and white. Right there. So yeah. It's really look like it's blinking from the backside. we've had some random people.
I say it's just about down now.
Bro, I'm so close to the river, I can just touch it. I can't touch it, but like, you know. It's probably freezing in there. Freezing. Right, so, yeah. I'm waving at some random people right now, because that's what like everyone does. And this is like might be like kind of boring for you guys, so yeah. I think there's a Great North Run coming up soon. Look, AJ Bell Great North Run. Man, do you think there's gonna be a Great North Run soon? Because it says AJ Bell Great North Run. I think it might. It says on the. It says on the there. It says AJ Bell Great North Run. Oh. Oh yes, I do. So this is pretty cool. Oh, kind of slow now though. Oh. Alright guys, so yeah, I'm on the camera thing right now, so you can zoom in. I don't think you can do it on YouTube. I'm not sure if you can do that on YouTube or not. But yeah. Oh, look. Oh yeah. Look at that boat. It's called Black Shadow. It's weird, huh? Oh look, that's just like a. It kind of looks like a pirate ship. Look at that. The little thing what goes on. Pirate ship. That's like a fishing, that's just like a fishing boat, but like a speed one. Fishing speed boat. Right there. And that's the one there. There's another one that goes on there. And there's one here. This is the one that I'm going on. I kind of want to go on this one because like the guy was dressed up as like a pirate or something. Are we going around again? Move, little bro. Little bro, move. Oh yeah, I think we might get some sweets or something because we were getting sweets before. Like other people were getting sweets, so hopefully I get some. So like yeah. Alright, so yeah, bye guys. Right. Wait, actually, I might make a. I don't know how to make outros. Someone please like put it in the comments how to make outros. I don't know how to make outros. Like on like normal videos, like when people like play games and they put like an outro on. I don't know how you put an outro, so someone in the comments say. Alright, yeah, bye.